So in English, you use to everyone except yourself, your friend, your dad, your teacher, and it's very okay to use that. But if you use you in Vietnamese language for everyone, what happened?
I hate this channel.
No! No!
You will be seen as a rude person. Don't you want that? I think you don't. So let me help you with today's lesson. In Vietnamese, personal pronouns are divided into two categories: family-based pronouns, neutral pronouns. Let's dive into family-based pronoun first. Ready?
Từ nơi đồng xanh thơm hương lúa về nơi nhà cáo xe sang phố hòa một niềm tin gieo ca êu ế. Từ nơi đảo xa mênh mông sóng về nơi đồi cao bay mây trắng một vòng tay nối trọn Việt Nam. Bao la đất trời quê hương xanh ngời xoay tay đón nắng mai cười trong má. Bao nhiêu con người chung tay xây đời niềm tin đời một Việt Nam sáng tươi. Việt Nam ơi, tự hào hát mãi lên Việt Nam ơi, Việt Nam ơi.
So if this you and you meet someone who is a bit older than you, but just like your older brother or sister, you will call them anh older brother or chị older sister, and they call you em younger person. One more time. Anh, chị, em. Now, if you meet someone who is a bit younger than your parents, just like your parents' younger brother or sister, you will call them chú, uncle, or cô, aunt, and you call yourself in front of them as cháu. One more time. Cô, chú, cháu. Are you wondering exactly how old is a person to be called chú or cô? Let me explain. Traditionally, someone who is 10 years older than you or one circle of the Chinese zodiac. But as a matter of fact, people like to be young, so calling someone uncle or aunt may make them upset. So nowadays, especially in business, people often use anh or chị to their customers or lower the family-based pronouns to one level. Next, if you meet someone is the same age or a bit older than your parents, they are referred to as bác and they call you cháu. Bác, cháu. The pronoun bác doesn't require the gender, same as em and cháu. Finally, if you meet someone who is at your grandparents' age, you will call them ông, granddad, or bà, grandmom, and they will call you cháu, which means nephew or niece. Is that all I need to know? Not that, chưa đâu. Calling someone bà cô, bà bác, ông chú, ông bác is very rude. You can call somebody's name without a pronoun if their age or their position is lower or same as you. When a student and a teacher talk together, the student will be in a role of em. The female teacher will be cô and the male teacher will be thầy. Em, cô, thầy. First, classmates and peers who are the same age as you. There are few options for addressing in this case. The most common one is tớ, I, cậu, you. One more time. Tớ, cậu, tớ, cậu. But now from secondary and high school students, they often call each other tao, I, mày, you, tao, mày. Be sure that you only use tao, mày with your close friends.
Ready, fight!
Next, if you meet a stranger and you can't tell whether they're older or younger than you just by their appearance, to be polite and have a friendly first impression, you should call him or her bạn. Call yourself mình, bạn, mình. Chào bạn, mình là. Hello, I am. Another neutral pronoun I want to introduce is tôi. The pronoun tôi doesn't show any affection and it sounds polite, so you hear it a lot in formal speech. And it is the easiest pronoun foreigners use when they just learn Vietnamese. However, don't depend on it because it somehow makes a distance between two people. Lesson. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new and interesting. So if you like my videos or you like my channel is about Vietnamese language, Vietnamese culture, Vietnamese food, kind of everything about Vietnam for you. So please like and support my channel.